Hey guys, it's my last day on holiday really before I got to start making my way back to San Jose. We're currently in Corcovado National Park, trekking through the primary forest. So it's 3,000 or 4,000 years old, never been touched. And this is the last little spot we're hanging out at. Not too bad, hey? Not too bad at all. Nice. So this is a multi-day trek. So the first half of the first day, we're back at the secondary forest. And these are the same tapir that I saw the previous day because they're nocturnal and the rangers know that this is their wallowing pit during the day. So we saw these guys 2 days in a row and I love them. They're related to hippopotamuses. Now we're catching a 20-minute boat after some lunch and we've arrived at this second beach. This second beach has almost no people on it and we're the only people doing the overnight trek along this trail today. We're in the primary forest. It's 4,000 years old and keep an eye on the water because there's fish to be seen everywhere. Look, more fish. Fish everywhere. These pozote are considered a pest because they're everywhere, but I love them. They've got great character. This bird's a little bit unhappy, can't fly, but law of the jungle. Sorry, mate. So in the secondary forest, it gets hundreds of visitors every single day. So the animals tend to get used to having people around. This is the primary rainforest where there are almost zero people walking through here. It's also the highest population of puma in the country. So there are lots of animals, lots of big animals in the area, but they're really hard to spot because they're not used to human interaction. Now, if you look on either side of the trail, these medium-sized palms or ferns, I think they're a palm. They only grow here in the primary forest. You won't see these in the secondary forest. You won't see these trees in any other forest. It's only here in the primary forest. I thought that was pretty cool. Sorry, the name?
Yeah.
Spectacle owl.
And is nocturnal?
Yes, nocturnal, yes.
Have some options.
What do they eat here? Frogs? Birds?
Yeah, frogs, small lizard, small snakes, birds.
Other birds?
Yeah.
Nice. Always looking away.
As you can see, the trail is a lot of up and down. In fact, it's up and down all day. But the bugs weren't too bad. As long as you keep moving, they tend to leave you alone. But I really enjoyed walking past trees that were wider than your average car. Just shows how old this place is.
So the primary forest definitely tests you. It's hot, sweaty, balance beams, and muddy trails. Happy days.
As beautiful as it is here, I really wouldn't want to be walking through here at night time. I would have absolutely no idea where I'm going, even if I had good lighting. It's a beautiful place, the forest, but it can also be sketchy. The ranger station has 20 or 30 beds, but we had the whole place to ourselves. Had a nice outdoor shower, really good fresh cooking, and beers at the end of a long day's trek. So it's day 2, and today I'm walking behind everyone, a good 40 or 50 metres behind them, because the forest goes to sleep when we walk past, and it starts to wake up about 50 metres after we've gone. So I'm behind the pack, trying to walk quietly, trying to spot some wildlife.
It's very special for a lot more plants. It's very slippery. Look, huh? Yeah. Okay. It's better you walk down. Okay. Okay, down. Not on the road. How long is it?
waterfall was one of the last stops on the 2 days trekking and a great place for a swim and to refresh. The trek has been challenging in places, a lot longer than what I thought it was going to be, which is always fun. But it's just good to know that pristine primary rainforest like this still exists in the world. Not many places and not as old as this place. But I'm glad that I got to experience the Corcovado National Park. The world really needs more places like this, and I hope it's around forever for everyone else to enjoy. Peace.